Hi there, today we're exploring the KITCHENLESTAR Ceramic Dinner Plates. A set of 6 8-inch porcelain plates perfect for dessert, salad, or small lunches. Made from high-grade, durable porcelain, these plates are free of lead and cadmium, ensuring safe use in your microwave, dishwasher, freezer, and oven. The beautiful Chinese-style blue and white vintage patterns add a touch of traditional porcelain culture to your table setting. These plates stack easily, saving valuable cabinet space and making cleanup a breeze, either by hand or in the dishwasher. They also make a thoughtful gift, combining practicality with an elegant design that shows you care. Plus, the company offers dedicated customer service to resolve any issues you might have. Upgrade your kitchen with these stylish, functional plates that bring both beauty and convenience to your meals. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.